You will see the magic. Stop washing your hair. शैम्पू लगा के ऐसे कर रहे हैं. Please do not purchase any random that you get on Amazon because bro, मैं try कर चुकी हूँ. मुझे लगता था मेरे बाल ही frizzy हैं, जो कि है. I agree, but मैं conditioner use ही नहीं करती हूँ. Literally showing you my wet hair towel. Oh shit. Yes, I know you. You do that. Come here and thank me later. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to control frizz on your hair in this monsoon. Basically it's a monsoon hair care video, but I'll be very honest, ये सारे tips you should apply it generally in your hair care routine, but monsoon में तो definitely. I will not take much of your time and get started. The first tip is to use a very mild hydrating shampoo. Do not use shampoos like Head and Shoulders or shampoos like very anti-dandruff shampoos again and again, because that is going to make your hair very dry and also it is going to give you a lot of frizz. Generally तो वो dry करते ही हैं ऐसे shampoos, but in this monsoon season your hair is going to be extremely frizzy than what it generally becomes. So switch to mild hydrating shampoos. You can use shampoos like Plum K peptide shampoo आती है एक. Then you might have seen the L'Oreal new shampoo, the hyaluronic acid one. I'll pop the picture here and I'll put a lot more recommendations in the description box. Okay. Second tip is to skip conditioners and start using hair masks. Yes, use hair masks as conditioner. I have been doing this since like more than 5 years now. मैं conditioner use ही नहीं करती हूँ. And in this season you definitely need to apply hair mask because वो और भी ज़्यादा क्रीमी होता है, मॉइस्चराइजिंग होता है, हाइड्रेटिंग होता है. सो अगर आप हेयर मास्क अप्लाई करोगे योर हेयर विल बी वेरी हाइड्रेटेड, फ्रिज को काफ़ी टेम करेगा एंड वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज रखेगा, स्पेशली द लेंथ ऑफ योर हेयर. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू परचेज एनी ऑफ द हेयर मास्क और कंडीशनर्स विच आई एम गोइंग टू recommend in like a few seconds, you can use this tip. Just put a few drops of serum in your conditioner or hair mask that you're already having and then apply it on the length of your hair. और फिर आप उसे जैसे generally wash करते हो करो. You will see the magic and yes, come here and thank me later. People who have like very thin fine hair, you can start using conditioner because I know a few people जो conditioner भी नहीं लगाते. So you can use conditioner especially in this season. And one conditioner that I would love to recommend is the Requil conditioner. उसके दो variant आते हैं, एक मुरु मुरु and एक और आता है. I'll pop the picture here. Both these conditioners are awesome. I swear it is so good. मैं इन कंडीशनर्स को बहुत यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. 3 साल पहले यूज़ करती थी कोविड के टाइम पे and it used to hydrate my hair so well. In fact, I don't even feel like it is a conditioner. वो इतने अच्छे से hydrate करता है. So even if you have like good hair, if you have like good thick hair, good volume, you can also try Requil conditioner if you want. But if you want to try hair masks, other few recommendations are this Love Beauty and Planet का argan and lavender oil hair mask. This is very nice, very hydrating and smells amazing, very affordable. काफ़ी मैंने यूज़ भी किया है इसे. Oh shit, look at it. मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है. मैं इसे ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाऊंगी वरना ये गिर जाएगा. Second, you can also use the Tresemme hyaluronic acid hair mask. I'll pop the picture here and all the links will be in the description box below. I cannot show it to you because just yesterday I gave that to my mother-in-law. She also loved using both these hair masks, by the way. Then you can use the Dove hair mask. If you watch my channel, you must have heard me rave about that video in my hair mask video. In the high-end range, you can use the Kerastase hair mask. I think उनके सारे ही हेयर मास्क बहुत अच्छे हैं. एक डिसिप्लिन है उनका जो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत फेमस है, बट आई हैव यूज्ड दिस वेरिएंट. दिस इज न्यूट्रिटिव mask rich, so you can use this. Very hydrating. And there is one more. This is the Biotop 911 hair mask. Biotop में बहुत सारे variants आते हैं with different numbering, so make sure you get this one, 911 range. I love this. This is so good. This was recommended to me by my hairstylist when I got my hair colored. If you follow a lot of YouTube and Instagram, then this was recommended to me by Ami from House of Hair, जो मृदुल मानसी सबके hair style करते हैं, and I love it. It's very big as well. So these were a few recommendations. Now third tip is, generally monsoon में सबके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा गिरते हैं. एवरीबडी फेसेस हेयर फॉल. बहुत लोगों का ये हेयर फॉल हमेशा ही होता है. थोड़ा मोड़ा इट्स टोटली फाइन, बट वॉट यू कैन डू इज़ टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा प्रिकॉशन. जस्ट यूज़ अ नाइस हेयर ग्रोथ सिरम इन जनरल. मॉनसून में तो आप डेफिनेटली कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज़ दी विश केयर रिडेंसिल सिरम. आई ट्राइड फाइंडिंग इट राइट नाउ. बहुत टाइम से मैं ढूंढ रही थी ये वीडियो बनाने से पहले, बट आई जस्ट कांट फाइंड इट. सो आई पॉप द पिक्चर हियर एंड लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स below. And yes, obviously any hair growth serums or any serums that you use for your scalp, it will take time, it will take a lot of time to show results, but use it now. There is also one spray which I cannot remember the name of, and it is available on Amazon or on Nykaa as well. I'll link it in the description box below. So you know, these serums and hairsprays, you can use it daily. It is not going to make your hair oily or sticky, so just take precautions for hair fall. Fourth tip is, if you are someone who is still using those heavy hair towels to, you know, dry your hair, yes, I know you do that, switch to a microfiber towel now. If you don't want to purchase, then go use your old t-shirt and you will see कि frizz कितना पहले से कम हो रहा है. I swear it's gonna change your hair game. I use 2 towels. ये I'm literally showing you my wet hair towel because मैंने आज ही सिर धोया है. This is from the brand Nykaa. This is how it comes. आपका hair पूरा इसमें रैप हो जाएगा. There is also a button here, और you can just, you know, ऐसे कर दो एंड ये गिरेगा भी नहीं. पहली बात तो ये बहुत लाइट वेट है. दूसरा, दिस इज माइक्रोफाइबर एंड इट डज अब्जॉर्ब अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू, यू नो, फील हैवी ऑन योर स्कैल्प. एंड ना, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी टाल्स आप यूज़ करोगे, देन इट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू पुल your hair and ultimately lead to breakage. So please stop. If you don't want to buy, just use your t-shirt. Yes girl. So you can use the Nykaa towel, और दिस टाइम मैंने एक और न्यू ब्रांड खरीदा है. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड ट्राइडेंट. इसका मैं बाथरोब यूज़ करती हूँ एंड आई लव देयर बाथरोब. यू कैन यूज़ दिस एज वेल. नायका वाला तो आप आँख बंद करके ले लो. इस टाल को 4 years हो गए एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग. आई गिव इट टू माई मॉम, आई गिव इट टू माई कजन्स, आई हैव गिवन इट टू सो मेनी पीपल बिकॉज इट्स दैट गुड. एंड डू नॉट परचेज एनी रैंडम माइक्रोफाइबर टाल दैट यू गेट ऑन Amazon, बिकॉज ब्रो, मैं ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ ये टाल्स खरीदने से पहले एंड बहुत ही बकवास आते हैं वो टाल्स. वो बिल्कुल भी, दे डू नॉट ड्राई योर हेयर एट ऑल. ना ही वो पानी अब्जॉर्ब करता है, ना ही वो माइक्रोफाइबर है. इट्स जस्ट a waste of cloth. So please do not buy that. Buy the Nykaa one or the Trident one. In fact, इन दोनों में भी I will say कि Nykaa तो आप आँख बंद करके ले सकते हो. It is really good. The fifth tip is to stop using heavy hair oils. Do not use coconut oil, castor oil. Please switch to lighter oils. You can use like argan oil, jojoba oil. Also जैसे black pumpkin seed oil जो होता है, वो भी you can still consider using it because it is like mediumish heavy oil. It is not as heavy as coconut oil या castor oil. Castor oil तो बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है, but it is also not as light as argan oil और jojoba oil. It is best to use argan oil and jojoba oil, और उसमें आप और भी बाकी, you know, essential oils mix कर लो. But please stay away from very heavy oils because जितना आप heavy oil use करोगे उतना आप shampoo लगाओगे, and the more you use shampoo, your hair is going to become very frizzy. Another tip is to stop washing your hair lengths. Yes, I have seen so many people कि वो अपने ऐसे ये वाले बाल में भी ऐसे शैम्पू लगा के ऐसे कर रहे हैं. प्लीज़ डू नॉट. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं करती थी ये, एंड देन जब मैंने ये स्टॉप किया करना, देन आई रियलाइज कि वाई डज एवरी शैम्पू दैट आई यूज़, नो मैटर हाउ गुड इट इज़, इट मेक्स माई हेयर फ्रिजी. मुझे लगता था मेरे बाल ही फ्रिजी हैं, जो कि है, आई अग्री, बट इतने भी नहीं थे जितना, यू नो, I used to make it. So please do not, पहली बात तो do not oil your lens. Just use oil on your scalp. You do not need to oil your lens. For your lens, your conditioner, hair mask, your serum is more than enough. Second, जब आप shampoo कर रहे हो, तो you don't need to shampoo your lens anyway, right? Because your oil is just on scalp. You wash your scalp और उसके बाद जितना भी आपका shampoo रहता है वो आपके लेंस को anyway wash कर देगा. So it is not required. So, you know, stop oiling your lens as well. If you want to, you know, tame your frizz, your lens are getting very dry, use a good conditioner, use a good hair mask. You can also use a good hair serum, of course, which is my next point. Just stay with me. I'm going to give you one more tip for your lens. So abhi I was saying do not wash the lens of your hair. It's going to make your hair even more frizzy, and It's honestly not needed. Just wash your scalp. That's it. And the next step is to use a good lightweight hair serum on the length of your hair. Generally तो आप hair wash करने के बाद वो use कर ही सकते हो. Even if you have got like very dry hair, तो आप every night को just take a hair serum and apply it on the length of your hair. I use this L'Oreal Extraordinary वाला hair serum on the length of my hair almost every night या जब भी मुझे याद आता है, so that you know मेरे बाल भी थोड़े से फ्रिजी ना रहे एंड it also gives good moisture to my hair. And after my hair wash I use this one from Kerastase, and I also have one more recommendation in a very affordable range. This is from the brand Tresemme. This is also थोड़ा सा heavy. This one used to be very nice, but इनका formulation थोड़ा change हो गया है, तो ये पहले से थोड़ा oily है. My hair is like very fine and very thin, so मैं after hair wash इसे लगाना थोड़ा avoid करती हूँ, और अगर लगाती भी हूँ तो I use it like in a very less quantity. So this was the tip. Use your hair serums every night on the length of your hair and you will see the change. You will not feel the need to apply hair oil on the length of your hair. Hair oil is just for scalp, okay? Next tip is you can use a good leave-in conditioners. There are leave-in conditioners from Redken, then there is one from L'Oreal as well. तो ये सारी चीज़ें फ्रिज को टेम करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करती है. And the last tip is to not skip hair wash after getting wet in rain. Have you noticed that after getting wet in rain, your hair feels heavy, your scalp also feels like oily and काफ़ी build-up हो जाता है. So do not skip hair wash. So make sure you definitely wash your hair every time you get wet in rain. That's it. All of this is definitely going to help you with your hair health in general as well, not just monsoon. But monsoon में तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. अगर इन सब के बाद भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. It's the weather. You have to live with it. And in these situations, all I do is put my hair in a bun and use a mascara or the wax stick, hair wax stick, so that आगे के frizz काफ़ी tame हो जाए. And yes, these were the tips. Let me know if this was helpful and if there's any tip for me that I am not currently following. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Bye.